Hello everyone, my name is Kalim and today we're going to do a walkthrough about creating a smart contract from a template and also understanding the structure of a smart contract and dividing it in modules. So as we already have spacecraft meta, check it out first. Cool. Now what we can do to quickly create a contract is use the template feature. So we're going to try to create let's choose empty and give it a name contract. This is going to create a new contract based on the empty template, which is basically an empty contract. Alright, so now let's try to open it in VS Code. Cool. So first thing that we can see are a few folders. They keep Rust Analyzer actually helps us generate the folders that we need, so it automatically compiles the contract. So we got our source folder where we can find our source file, which contains the MultiversX SC contract annotation, which actually signals the root of the contract. This is where we'll need to import all the modules in. Then we have a meta folder. This folder is the base of the meta crate. This helps us use the spacecraft meta tool to actually build the contract. We got a scenarios folder where all our Mandos tests should rest. And then we got our tests folder with some test templates for us to try out. Cool. So this is our root of the contract, but the best way to approach smart contracts is to actually divide logic into modules. So for example, I will definitely need a storage mapper. Okay, let's define it like that. Alright, let's say we need to store a bigger. In order to not complicate our source file, let's try to create a new module containing our storage. So first we create a file, storage.rs. The modules are also traits, but they are marked with a different annotation, which is called module. So first things first, let's import the file. Open the file actually, and now let's try to create some logic inside. So we're gonna need the imports, and let's try to create a module. So we need the annotation, and then we need to create a trait that's gonna hold everything in our module. So now that we have this created, let's move our storage mapper to our module. Great. In order for the module to be accessible in our root contract, we need to actually import the module. So opening the file is not enough. We need to actually import the module from the file. So we're gonna import storage module from storage. Now, if I create a new endpoint, let's say test endpoint. Now I'm going to be able to find my storage in self. As you can see, the Rust Analyzer already knows that it's a boolean, and basically this architecture can be replicated for any kind of logic. So if I have, let's say I need a specific module for endpoints of a specific type. If I do transactions, I can create like a transaction module. If I do token issuance and stuff like that, I can create a specific module for that. So my code is organized and I know where to find things where I'm searching for them. Okay, let's do it one more time. Test endpoints .rs. I can basically just copy everything from here, put it here, except I'm going to say test endpoint module, delete the storage, open the file, and import my module here. Alright, and if I move this endpoint here, now I'm gonna have an organized code. Of course, I cannot access my storage here because even though my storage is imported in the root, I need to also import it in my module. So basically import it wherever I use it. I'm gonna import it here, and now